passive income, something that we all eventually have over an unlimited amount of time, right? Every single one of you watching this video clicked on this video to earn money through passive income. And today is your lucky day because in today's video, I will be teaching you a unique strategy that earns you over $250 in just 24 hours. The best part is, it is easy to and you can do it easily on your own and is available worldwide. So if you are excited to know what this strategy is, then make sure you don't skip any parts of this video. With that said guys, let's head straight into this video. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. With that said, I would like to welcome everyone to Smart Money Girl. In this channel, I love teaching people how to build a business and make money online the smart way. And if you don't want to miss out on more videos, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. With that said guys, let's jump straight into the video. Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited to have you here. Before we do anything else, we first need to utilize a website wherein all our earnings will be put on. And I know that a lot of you are familiar with it, which is PayPal. For those who have an account, then just skip this step, but for those who don't have one, let me show you how easy it is to make one. So we are at their homepage right now, as you can see on my screen right here. To create your account, just go over to the top right corner and click sign up right here. Just choose if you want it to be a personal or business account. Then start filling up the necessary information around here and you're done. Just as easy as that. So this is our first step. I want you to make sure that you have an active and working PayPal account, as we will track and cash in our earnings through this website. For today's video, we have here the website we will focus on. You can see right here it says Juicy SEO Tools You Will Love. We make SEO simple since 2014. So basically, this website is essentially an SEO site, which stands for Search Engine Optimization. This helps various websites rank on Google so that a large number of people can see them. So basically, this website focuses on assisting a lot of websites to gain more traffic across their way. That is why a lot of huge companies around the world trust this website, because it is way cheaper and more reliable to pay for this website. We can see right here that we can find keywords, see SERP for any location, track your rankings, find powerful backlinks, and check competitors' website authority. Amazing, right? So the name of this website is actually mangools.com. I know what you are probably thinking, but I don't know much of this stuff. How will I get paid then? Well, you have nothing to worry about. If we scroll back up a little bit, we can see that they offer a 10-day free trial, which will help us out a lot, because if you end up not liking or not trusting one website, you will not have to pay immediately and just first try it out for yourself. This is one of the great benefits of this website. If you liked what you are viewing and learning in this video, please smash the like button and comment down below what country you are watching this video from. This will help maintain my strategies be effective worldwide. I'm really excited to see them. Now, back on the video. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see what some people love about mangools.com, which are first, ease of use and great UI. You don't have to be an expert to start using our SEO tools. You'll understand all the data and features instantly. Second is support with SEO skills. Unlike typical outsourced support agents, our support team consists of people actually doing SEO every day. And lastly, best value for money. A good SEO toolset doesn't have to cost a fortune. We're no giant all-in-one tool, but you'll get all the features you need. You will also see here some statements of different people that have tried this and were helped greatly by this website. You can also see right here that a lot of big companies trust this website. We have the likes of Airbnb, Alexa, and even Adidas. Now, I want you to continue to the very bottom and find where it says affiliate program. So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can simply locate people that can be helped by this website. There are two ways, which are free and paid, and you can choose which one you actually prefer. Mangles.com is one of the most amazing websites to promote because you can find so many clients around here, considering that new websites are made every single day, which means more money for you. Not only that, all these companies have a ton of budget to spend upon, so Mangles.com will help them out a lot and they will continue using it. Amazing! As I mentioned earlier, we have in here free trial choice, which can help you to just try this site out for yourself and make a decision after. And as you can see, they provide you 30% lifetime commissions. And take a look at this, guys. The average affiliate payout is more than $450 every single month. That is a lot of money if you ask me. Now I know what you're probably thinking. How much guaranteed money can I even earn around here? Well, you can go over to the pricing right here and it will bring you this page, wherein you can see that they have 3 different pricing plans: basic, premium, and interagency, wherein we have monthly or annual payment. You can just go over and check this all out for yourself, but I want to focus on how you can earn a stable income around here. So click on Start Earning Now right here and you will be redirected to this page. Then just click on Don't Have an Account right here and create your own account, and you will then receive your personal affiliate link. Just as easy as that. But how will you get a lot of traffic? So for this method, we are going to use Google right here and search for any businesses in any city or town that you may prefer. This can help you gain a lot of traffic and help you earn a lot of money. So click on one business that you prefer, then find their contact information, which is either located at the top or the bottom of the website. In my case, it is located right here. We will now just send them all the amazing features of Mangles.com, which when they eventually see, you will then earn a lot of money coming your way. Just like that. Amazing, right? And now we've reached the end of today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to show your love and support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you want to keep up to date with all my next uploads, then make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon in my next Smart Ways to Make Money Online.